is a very, very rainy day. So wish us luck. I love this Christmas tree. So we're getting a minivan because it's raining, and the minivans can take you right up to the front. And they install the car seats for you, and you just download the Lyft app, and then you can request a minivan on there. So this is how it's going. But at least we're at Epcot. We're on the way to Remy's Ratatouille. We have a lightning lane booked for that, so I'll see y'all when we're dry. After Remy's, we have a lightning lane for Guardians, so we're gonna do rider swap for that.
I got a water card.
And you got a Nemo card.
Yeah.
We get in. You'll wait till we watch.
In just 4 million years, they will merge with a gravitational force that will bind them together. Imagine, Terrans and Xandarians forever connected, though we haven't...
Hi, Daisy! Dory? Your favorite. And who's that? What shark is that? His name's Bruce. You ready, Lucy? On Nemo and Friends. On Seashell.
What if Nemo's swimming out the sea?
Oh, don't worry. Just keep your eyes open for him all the way.
Where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
He's my son. You know that.
I do.
We gotta...
Okay, so I just wanted to check back in with y'all. So we started in the morning. The first thing we rode was Ratatouille. Reese was not a fan of it. It was our first time riding it. And then we headed to Guardians of the Galaxy, and we did rider swap. So we both got the same song. We got One Way or Another. And that was our first time getting that song. We usually get Everybody Wants to Roll. We were doing rider swap while my husband was riding Guardians. Reese and I went to Nemo and Friends. Now we're at La Cantina, just getting some quick service before we head to test track. Hey Turtle, we got a new friend today.
Who is it?
It's Orca.
The world.
make it longer.
All the signs we get is
Which ones?
The Skyliner was down due to the weather, so we are taking a 1 mile rainy walk to get to Hollywood Studios. Okay, so we are now in Hollywood Studios. We are at the Disney Junior Dance Party. We got a lightning lane for that, so we're in line. And Doc mixed up in just behind me. It is so rainy, but we're making the most of it. At the Disney Junior Dance Party. Got a special sticker. We just got to like the McQueen racing. He's your favorite, huh?
Queen's Racing Academy. My bestest buddy, Lightning McQueen, done asked me to introduce him.
Good job.
Smoke.
There was no smoke.
No smoke.
Again, racing isn't about speed and flash and crossing the finish line. It's about the journey you take to get there and who you've got driving alongside you. Your belongings in your trunk and stay in your lanes as you exit.
Do not forget it.
Hey guys, so it's way later. I just wanted to sit down and kind of just recap the day because it's been raining so bad. I feel like I haven't had that much time to sit down and talk. Like kind of talked all through what we've been doing. Got to ride every single thing we wanted to do. We did Epcot this morning and then park hop to Hollywood Studios. We weren't able to make our Woody's Roundup barbecue just because there's a storm rolling in, and right at the same time as our reservation, it's supposed to get really bad. So we just took a minivan and got out of Hollywood Studios. The rain, it is much better. Like the crowds are way lower when it's raining, obviously, because people don't want to get wet, but we are soaked. Like this entire dress is soaked. But other than that, it being a rainy day, it's been an amazing day. I'm not gonna let the rain get us down. We still did everything and got everything accomplished that we wanted to do. We just didn't get to do the barbecue restaurant, but that's fine, we'll do it next time. We took a minivan back from Hollywood Studios to our hotel. Definitely recommend minivans. We used them 3 times on this trip. This is our first trip ever using them. I don't know why we never have before, but we will use them for every single trip. They come with car seats already installed with no extra cost. So when you're traveling with a toddler from park to park, it's so much easier just to get in, go, and they drop you off right at the front. So it's really easy. They all work for Disney. All of them had some information or some tips for us on our ride. So overall, it's been a great trip. Also, I didn't get to talk once I got off Guardians of the Galaxy because it was raining so much, so I couldn't film, but I got One Way or Another. And if you know, you know, it's such a big deal, like what song you get on Guardians of the Galaxy. Normally, I always get the same song. Me and my husband both always get Everybody Wants to Rule the World, which we love too. And One Way or Another was really good, but I like the other song better. Favorite ride of all time. Tron was really good at Magic Kingdom. This trip was our first time getting to ride that. And it was a lot better than I expected. I'm headed now, spend some time with the family, take a hot shower, and I'll see y'all tomorrow at Contemporary for Chef Mickey's. Mikaley?
You like mine?
Yeah, it looks really good. Like what? What was your favorite part of the whole
It
day?
was everything.
Everything. You had to pick one thing. What was your favorite?
It was everything.
Excited to eat with Mickey?
Yeah.
Cute little Mickey sweatsuit. And this balloon. So we're gonna have to deflate this balloon because he does not want to leave it here. So we're gonna have to deflate it and take it on the plane somehow. Good morning. We just checked out of our hotel, the Wilderness Lodge, and now we're heading to Contemporary Resort to have breakfast with Mickey at Chef Mickey's before we head to the airport. I love the Contemporary Hotel. It's one of my favorites. Waiting for Mickey to come say hi. We got some Mickey waffles, some watermelon, some French toast. There's Mickey. You gave him high five?
He recognized you. You saw him, he comes to hi. He remembers you.